To make sofrito, prep all your vegetables first. Rinse them under cold water, then roughly chop. Cut off the top of the bell peppers and remove the seeds, just like so. We are using 3 bell peppers, yellow, red, and green. As you are prepping the vegetables, transfer them into a large mixing bowl. We're using 10 ají dulces, also known as sweet peppers. Remove the stems and keep them whole as they don't have that many seeds. You may find these sweet little peppers in the Latino grocery stores, but if you are unable to find them, no worries, your sofrito will be fine. After you try my sofrito, you're going to be saying, "Dame sofrito, yo necesito." Peel and cut up 2 large onions. We are cutting everything up to make things easier once we put everything in the food processor. Then peel 2 full head of garlic. Cut up a bundle of Italian parsley and a bundle of cilantro. If you leave the cilantro and the parsley as long as they are, they usually tend to jam the food processor. Oh, do not get rid of the stems, use the stems and all. Now that all your veggies have been prepped, let's make some magic. Magic, aka sofrito. Transfer all the prepped veggies into the food processor. We're going to be adding them in batches as to not overcrowd the food processor. Season the sofrito with 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of oregano, and I like using Dominican oregano since it's a bit stronger, 2 teaspoons of adobo seasoning, a quarter of a cup of olive oil, and about half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now begin processing the sofrito and adding the rest of the veggies as you go. Get the full written recipe at kelvinskitchen.com. Quick question, have you used sofrito before? Do you know how to use sofrito? If you need a couple of videos showing you how to use sofrito, please let me know in the comment box down below. Once your sofrito has been processed, transfer to ice cube trays. To preserve the sofrito, we're going to freeze it up and use when needed. Now you have a large batch of sofrito that you can use as a flavor base for many different recipes. Simply use the amount that you need. Each sofrito cube equals 1 tablespoon. Add this sofrito to your recipes for an instant burst of flavor. It is a time saver and versatile ingredient for your kitchen. I got these ice cube trays with lid so you can easily stack them up. Now transfer your sofrito cubes to the freezer. Once your sofrito cubes are frozen solid, you may transfer them into a freezer bag. There you guys have it, how to make sofrito. Enjoy! Buen provecho! Thanks for watching, see you later, bye!
Yeah!